and personal to show you the Zen controller. It's a little Buddha, and that's forward and backwards. So I'm going to put her back. A really Zen spot. That's a Zen place right here. It's right there. I got a swivel chair now, and this steering wheel. Can you sit back here a little bit? Right there a little bit more. That's good. That's good. That's good. Right there. So we're going to head out. Try to minimize that shake. And I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to push the camera out so it's straight on us back here. Right like about there. Okay. Full speed. We are flying, man. So Lake Nokomis, today's Friday. Ooh, geez, oh, damn. Stop it. Taxi. Sit. Good girl. Yeah, huh? Okay, we're getting some splashes now. So I got a skirt for the middle. Hang on a second. Strong enough. There we go. There we go. And then that one. Now, these flip down, back on to wheel to the car. These are pumpkin seeds. And let's do that again. So here's reverse. Right, now we're going to go forward. Forward. So you look at that, it steers like a dream, and it's so cool. This is the coolest thing I've ever been on, and I made it. So I do want that skirt though, for sure. See how comfortable it's going to get. Zen man here. So this is nice. It is the 20, I don't know what, day, Friday. We had all the riots in Minneapolis. And there's a lot of people, I believe, do not represent Minneapolis. A lot of people stupid stuff. Alright. Stuff like that. I did not watch news today. Lake Nokomis, Friday evening. Oh, and there's a curfew, 8 o'clock. Gotta be out.